All right, so I've been using the Husky Workbench from Home Depot as my desk for the past 3 or 4 years now at this point. You see there, all metal frame, solid wood. Now it says a light finish to it. I was wanting to sand this down, honestly, and just like do a dark, like a stain it, but I was just like, man, that's too much work. I don't want to do all that, so I just kept this color. But there are some nice countertops you can get. But anyways, so I'm using the Husky Workbench. You can see here, 6 feet long. See here on Home Depot. They don't have it right now, but you can see there, 3,000 pounds. All right, there's the dimensions, 72 inch is the width. Height, you can see 28 to 42. It is adjustable. You see right there. Let's take those bolts out. Depth is 24. So it works perfect for me. It's because I have my OLED TV on the wall. So, and I'm also off the wall about 6 inches or so. So all I got on the desk is a Rodecaster Duo, keyboard, mouse, and my tower here on the right. That's pretty much it. But nice desk to use. It doesn't flex. And again, holds 3,000 pounds. You can beat on it with a hammer. That's what it's made for. All I got on it is a computer tower. But yeah, this is the workbench that I'm using.